Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Activate.
There you go. Goose with the pecking beat. Hippopotamus with the flipper. This is his first featherweight and he's doing a fantastic job with it. The big Goose just riding it, doing good pecking and then just flipping. It's a very good show so far, but Hippopotamus struggling to get down. His flipper stuck up. Goose helping down. He's certainly trying. Maybe go around the back. Give it another go. Go on, Goose. Show everyone you have a soul. Oh, hey, lovely to see. Hippopotamus back in the fight now. Goose back on the pecking. Something is very squeaky in there, and I don't think it's the Goose. But, you know, oh it is, okay. That's good. But, yes. Hippopotamus now a little bit stuck on the pit zone. I feel like the Goose should go to the pit button, I'll be honest. I think it's... Oh, yes, that's good. That was the motivation Hippopotamus needed. Playing it very close there. And the rules are the rules. The hippo survives only just.